Want faster access to Windows Clock? Pinning the Clock app to your Start menu makes it easier to launch whenever you need alarms, timers, a stopwatch, or focus sessions. Yeah, in this guide, I'll show you how to pin Windows Clock to the Start menu in 2026. First, click the Start button on your taskbar or press the Windows key on your keyboard. This opens the Start menu where you can search for installed applications. With the Start menu open, type Clock into the search box. Windows should display the Clock app in the search results. Make sure you're selecting the official Windows Clock application. Right-click the Clock app in the search results. From the menu that appears, select Pin to start. Windows will add Clock to the Pinned Applications area of your Start menu. Open the Start menu again and look through your pinned applications. You should now see the Clock app there. If you have many pinned apps, you may need to scroll or move through the available pages to find it. You can also move the Clock app to a more convenient position. Right-click or select and hold the Clock icon, then choose the option to move it if available, or drag it to your preferred location within the pinned area. Now you can open Windows Clock directly from the Start menu without searching for it every time. This is especially useful if you regularly use alarms, timers, world clocks, or focus sessions. If you ever want to remove Clock from the Start menu, right-click the pinned app and select Unpin from Start. This removes the shortcut from Start without uninstalling the Clock application. And that's how to pin Windows Clock to the Start menu in 2026. With Clock pinned, you can quickly access alarms, timers, the stopwatch, world clocks, and focus sessions whenever you need them. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.